Hello and welcome to Nyasha TV, your trusted channel for the latest and hottest commentary on trending stories. Today, we are diving into a saga that has gospel music fans talking and social media ablaze. Yes, we are talking about none other than Mambo Dhuterere, wife of gospel star Mambo Dhuterere. The headlines are shocking, the details are wild, and the reactions are unforgettable. Let's unpack this bombshell story together. First things first, the age revelation. For years, Mambo Dhuterere claimed to be in her 20s. Many of her fans bought into this youthful image, but the truth has finally emerged: she is 36 years old. That's right, 36. Social media has gone into overdrive, with many saying they suspected something wasn't quite adding up. One user wrote, "We knew there was no way she was still in her 20s. Another chimed in, "She should have just owned her age. She looks great for 36. It seems the age deception is just the tip of the iceberg. Now, let's get to the fraud allegations which have taken this story from surprising to downright scandalous. According to reports, Mambo Dhuterere, alongside her brother Kudak, who, by the way, is still at large, allegedly scammed a complainant out of $16,000. Their pitch? That they could sell him not one, but TWO vehicles, including a Toyota Hilux GD6. The kicker? They claimed these cars could be imported duty-free, thanks to a supposed waiver courtesy of the president of Zimbabwe. The complainant handed over the money, confident in the deal. Mambo Dhuterere even went so far as to issue an affidavit, committing to deliver the vehicles within 2 weeks. But instead of the promised Toyota Hilux and the second car, the complainant received a Ford Ranger registered in Botswana. That vehicle was later impounded by police for not having the proper permit. And what about the second car, a Mercedes-Benz C200? Well, it never materialized. Fast forward to Thursday morning. Mambo Dhuterere appeared at the Harare Magistrates Court, dressed in a striking black and white outfit. She was calm, collected, and granted $100 bail. Meanwhile, her brother remains on the run, and her husband, Mambo Dhuterere, has yet to comment on the matter. As expected, the reactions online are a mix of shock, disappointment, and a hint of schadenfreude. Some fans feel betrayed, questioning how someone in the gospel industry, a field built on trust and integrity, could be involved in such allegations. Others are simply amused by the age revelation. One fan commented, "Imagine lying about your age and then being exposed in a fraud case of all things." This scandal has left fans asking, how will this affect Mambo Dhuterere's career? And what does this mean for Mambo Dhuterere's role in the gospel community? These are questions only time will answer. So, what's your take on this drama? Do you think Mambo Dhuterere can recover from this, or is this the end of her public image? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nyasha TV for more updates on this story and others. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed.